if this is day 2. I think it's day 2 of the 2013 NAMM show. I'm Gino Robert for Electronic Musician Magazine, and I'm here with Gary Chang at the Analog Haven booth, because this is the place in Hall E if you want to see what the future's going to be like. And Gary, did you see anything cool here, or what's your take on it all?
Well, I love Tony Rolando's Make Noise stuff, and the idea that he's actually creating entire systems is fantastic. I've never been a fan of the Frankenstein type of system, so it's really great that these guys are finally evolving their designs into complete ideas. So I'm really excited about that here.
And also a performance-based system as well.
That's right. Also, you know what? You can't learn something that, is constantly changing. So when you have complete systems, you can generate pedagogy. You can actually talk about techniques and stuff, because everyone have common systems, right? So I think that's a really great move forward in the development of this chaos that we have in electronic music. I love it, though. I love this chaotic environment. It's great.
Yeah, it's really amazing, really innovative and amazing.
Okay.
So, day 2, what was interesting for me is discovering that Aphex has its own lunchbox that it's putting out. But what's interesting about it is they're aiming it to become a 2-channel interface. So it's got USB 2.0 I/O, plus it has 2 headphone amps built in, all sorts of digital and analog processing, so you can actually run a signal through, say, 3 or 4 modules as a channel strip, or you can address them individually, but you can record multiple signals going in or process them going out. So it's a very elegant system. I was really surprised, and I expected you'll probably see more lunchbox products coming out next year that have USB capabilities. So Waves and Digico have gotten together to create the DigiGrid system, which basically puts a lot of networking power behind processing and coordinating of different recording and PA systems, or I should say playback systems, so you have on a professional level in the studio and on stage have full networking capabilities. So that's a really giant step forward, fully compatible with Waves processing. All right, another big announcement came from Electro-Voice with their new powered loudspeaker system, the ZLX line. They've got a 15-inch powered monitor and a 12-inch monitor, both with Class D power. The 15-inch is 1,000 watts, has DSP on board with meters, input meters, and it's a really dynamite sounding system, very clear and very loud, and could cut through anything here at NAMM, which is quite impressive. From Blue Microphones, they're showing Nessie, which is a USB microphone for the computer with adaptive technology, so you can use it for singing. It changed the EQ for singing and all sorts of how it responds to sound. Or for spoken word, you can also use it as just a raw mic without any processing as well, but they have their own proprietary processing in it now. Very elegant mic. It's going to ship in a couple of months and it'll be priced at $99. Great looking mic. Looking forward to trying that out. Another thing we saw is Samson has a whole new set of condenser mics, 3 new condenser mics. One is an Electret, one is a straight ahead condenser, single pattern, the other one's a multi-pattern that has a roll-off and a pad switch on it as well. And they're reintroducing their VR88 ribbon mic. So that was a very exciting thing, as well as a couple of new USB control surfaces that are portable, small, lightweight, that you can fit in a backpack, but geared towards DJs as well, with faders and things like that, crossfaders. So very cool solution. Very nice piece. Okay, so this year, Arturia unveiled a few new things. They unveiled the Minilab Universal MIDI controller, which is really nice. It's portable and it's USB bus powered. You can sync it up with the iPad and use it with the software they provide. Very inexpensive system that's actually aimed at musicians and non-musicians. A really good learning tool. Arturia also announced Sparkle, which is its creative drum machine controller. It's smaller than the Spark, but it's not a light version. It's a repurposed version that has different, slightly different feature set for beat creation, and it's also very portable and light. Great hands-on feel, and it integrates very easily with Mac and PC systems. All right, that's it for the Friday NAMM show wrap up, and we'll check back with us tomorrow when we'll have some more news and some new goodies and maybe an interview or two. Thank you very much.